What's up, gang? It's Stephy B the G. You're probably wondering, who the is she and what can she do for me? Well, I'm here to put you on the game. This channel is for the Trader Joe hoes that meal prep to save money, time, and to stay fine. I'll give you my tips and tricks on how I meal prep around coupons, lifestyle, diet, and I'll give you some innovative recipes for the fake wine snobs who will opt for a glass of wine at the end of a long day just to wind down. Pinkies up. I'm a certified sommelier. No, not Somalian, Sommelier. I'll teach you how to properly pick wine, pair it with food, and even taste like a pro. So you could be a real wine snob. For the ones that no matter how drunk you are, you're taking off your makeup and doing your skincare routine before you go to bed. Me, I'm a Sephora junkie. And I have lots of friends in the beauty industry who bless me with gratis, which is free products. So I'll do some reviews and tutorials for you guys, and also show you how I maintain this fuckboy free glow for the fashion-forward ones who can mix highs and lows and has an eye for good pieces. I'm co-owner of Paper Door Boutique, a women's clothing boutique that was a brick and mortar for 7 years. After closing, my partner and I, Vicky, decided, you know what? I think we want to relaunch online. So I'll take you on our journey, and I might throw in some coupon codes and sales too. That's only if you really get down with gang. This sounds like you? Click the subscribe button below so you'll never miss out on the tea. And they don't call me the G for nothing. Get down or lay down.